Good morning. Welcome back to Padang on Planet Doug. And I'm just moving my scooter out of the lobby of the hostel. We bring all the scooters inside for security at night. And then you just roll them out the front door. Yeah, it's about 7:30 in the morning, and my plan for this morning is to do some more casual exploring of Padang. But to start, I'm going to see if I can get some breakfast. I'm not usually a big breakfast eater, but I think it's a good idea to have something to eat right away. It just makes you feel better. And more to the point, there's a small Bubur Ayam stall right on this road, a short distance away. I don't know if it's open this early. Man, I can't see. I'm riding right into the sun. Boy, that's bright. Come on, Bubur Ayam. I think it's just up ahead, a short distance. It's a breakfast dish, a traditional breakfast dish. It's like rice porridge. It's really good. I had it here yesterday and liked it. So I'm hoping. Yeah, maybe. There's certainly a lot of scooters parked there. As I said, it is a breakfast dish, so it could be busy first thing in the morning. Oh yeah, here we are. So this is the place, and they call it Bubur Ayam Chanjur. So I don't know if that makes it a special kind or not, but maybe he's famous. He's got a pretty big sign, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's all prepared. And one great thing about this dish is that, yeah, like I said, it's essentially rice porridge with a bunch of toppings. So preparing it is as easy as scooping up a ladle of the porridge and then adding a bunch of toppings. And there it is. So this is like, what's the word for that type of chicken, but the way it's prepared, I can't remember the name for it. And then, yeah, rice porridge underneath. It's really good. And then they have a whole bunch of toppings you can add, sauces, and they have peanuts, and then those things there. So you can add all the, thank you. Put some of those on top, just to add some texture. And yeah, you dive in. I hardly need to say it. It's very, very good. As I said, I'm not normally a breakfast person because I'm usually having coffee, and I just want to get started with the day. It feels like when I stop for breakfast, the momentum of the day is affected. But I noticed the last couple of days I haven't been eating enough, and then you end up a little bit irritable. Like if you find yourself getting annoyed more than you should, it probably means you're just not eating. But yeah, here it is, working my way through it. And it's really hot right here. The way that the table is sort of like, at this time of the morning, it's right in the sun. So I'm eating quickly, and I'll get out of here as fast as I can just to get out of the sun. All right, so that is it for breakfast. As always, I always end up thinking about the logistics of places like that. They've got the young guy who is working there now. Does he own the stall? If so, how does he manage to get set up there? Does he pay rent? How many hours does he put in per day? And then the seating is always a thing with me because there isn't enough. He's only got one table and 4 or 5 little plastic stools. And when I showed up, you know, the whole table was full. I don't know. And just, you can see I'm still chewing on my chicken because you couldn't really relax because a whole bunch of other people, you know, just showed up. And I can't just sit there relaxing while they're waiting to sit down. You know, you got to eat and go, eat and go. So I don't know. I'm thinking, sure, it'd be nice if there was a second table. Wouldn't cost anything. Just put another table there, a bunch of plastic stools, double your capacity right off the top. But seating is always an issue for me. There's never, it either doesn't exist or there isn't enough of it. I never understand why. But I do wonder whether there's rules around that, you know? Maybe because of the rent he's paying. He gets a cheaper rate if he has one table. If he has 2 tables, he has to pay more or something. It's a possibility. Anyway, I'm just popping back into my hostel just to get sorted, get some water, and check Google Maps, and then head out to the next stop on today's small adventures.